When people think of how they consume media, most people's minds normally go straight to TV and video. But recently, the podcasting industry has become a media juggernaut. With the industry set to hit 100 million domestic listeners by next year, the podcasting world can seem overwhelming. But West Virginia University is offering students opportunities all over campus to learn how to develop podcasts of their own. Professor Emily Corio offers a class that teaches some of the basics of podcast development.
Students in my podcasting class learn audio recording and editing, so that can be applied in different ways across our industry. They also learn about interviewing, writing, and delivery.
Learning the basics of podcast development is the first step to creating a successful platform. And while the industry seems intimidating, consistency is the key to success.
There are over 2.5 million podcasts on the Apple podcasting platform. Of those 2.5 million, around 450,000 of which are active. That roughly boils down to about 18%.
While the podcasting world is very much still growing, WVU Student Media is offering students the chance to gain some experience with building their own platforms. Student Media is doing this by giving students an opportunity to develop their own podcasts right here in Morgantown. Podcasts like Max Clark's, who explains the appeal of listening to student-run podcasts.
The fact that we're just people, the fact that we're, still students or young means we've got both a lot to learn and we have experienced a ton.
Although the podcasting industry is still relatively new, expected to become a staple in the modern media world.
Coming up on WVU News, I'm Mason Kinsey, and I'll tell you how WVU is preparing its students for one of the media world's fastest growing trends. I'm Mason Kinsey, and I'm on set of one of student media's fastest growing platforms. WVU News starts now. Feels like these days, everybody's got a podcast, and WVU students are no exception. I'm Mason Kinsey, and I'll tell you about it more straight ahead on WVU News.